The power of pals, more than just friends. Hello dear learners. Today, we're going to dive into a word that's commonly used but perhaps not fully understood by non-native speakers. We're talking about the term, pals. While it might sound casual and straightforward, there's a bit more to it than meets the eye. So let's explore. Pals is a colloquial term that means friends. It's often used to describe a friendly relationship between two or more people. The term is informal and can be used in various contexts, such as, "We've been pals since childhood." "Hey, pal, how have you been?" The word pal has its roots in the Romani language, where it meant brother or comrade. Its usage in English began around the late 19th century. Knowing its origin gives us a glimpse into how the term is deeply rooted in camaraderie and close bonds. While pals can be used interchangeably with friends, there are some contexts where it's more fitting. For instance, 1. Informal settings. It's a casual term, so it's best used in non-formal situations. 2. Familiarity. Using pal with someone you've just met might seem too forward. It's typically used among people who already know each other to some extent. 3. Variations. The term pal can also be used singularly, like in the phrase, "Hey pal, could you help me out?" There are several idiomatic expressions that incorporate the word pals. Here are a couple. 1. Pen pals refers to two people who regularly write letters to each other, especially when they live far apart. 2. Pals around with, a phrase meaning to spend time with someone, often in a casual and friendly manner. Example, "He's been pals around with Mike a lot recently." And there you have it. The term pals is a charming and informal way of referring to friends or companions. Whether you're talking about childhood buddies or just addressing someone kindly, pals has a place in the English language that's as warm and welcoming as the bond it describes. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of the term. Remember, language isn't just about words, but the connections and memories they represent. Until next time, keep learning and keep being awesome.